Hello, good morning. Myself Dr. B. Kedarnath, HOD ECE GNITC and convener of this event. Hearty welcomes to one and all to this event ICI ECE 2022. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Pastor Raglos Agroleras, Junior Dean, College of Computer Studies, University of Perpetual Help, Molino Campus, Cavite, Philippines. I welcome guest of honor Mr. Anup Chatterjee, former Director R&D, HAL Bangalore. Guest of honor Dr. M. Ravi, CEO Semiconductor Technology and Applied Research Center, DRDO, Bangalore. Guest of honor Mr. Dr. Subramaniam, Managing Director, SLN Technologies Private Limited, Bangalore. I thank all guests who took part in the inaugural ceremony of 10th International Conference on Innovations in Electronics and Communication Engineering, ICI ECE 2022. ICI ECE 2022 has been hosted on a dynamic online platform for researchers, scientists, technologists, academicians and engineers to discuss their innovative ideas and cutting-edge research discoveries in the field of electronics and communication engineering in a secure setting. This online gathering will include a top-notch schedule of engaging a keynote and webinar sessions, peer-reviewed paper presentations and networking opportunities in a brand new virtual settings. In Guru Nanak institutions, ICI ECE is still a convention that the guarantees and increase in a caliber of publications and presentations. This conference flourishes by showcasing technologies in ECE domain each year to quench the ongoing interest of new scholars and researchers. Every year, the Guru Nanak Educational Society is pleased to host a number of conferences in each department with a goal of meeting the demand of the academics and researchers around the world. The premier conference in the area of electronics and communication engineering is known as ICI ECE. With support from the past 9 successful conferences series, ICI ECE reputation is growing every year. We have received more than 200 papers from national and international authors, and out of the total papers received, 94 papers were accepted and 10 papers got selected for JIECE. The goal is to bring academics, research scholars and delegates from industries together to accelerate and explore their innovative ideas in the field of electronics and communication engineering, and thereby foster research relations between academia and industry. I would like to convey that the selected presented papers of this conference will be published in the department journal JIECE. The demographics of the papers submitted in ICI ECE 2022 are as follows. 252 papers were received, 62 papers were accepted for publications in the Springer LNS series, 11 papers were published in the JIECE journal, 10 papers were published in the JIT journal, 32.8% of applications are accepted. 3 keynote sessions, 6 technical sessions, 4 Springer sessions and 2 special JIECE and JNIT journals sessions are all part of this conference. The eminent academicians and the PhDs will be chaired and co-chaired to each of these sessions. I would also like to thank the technical section chairs and reviewers for sparing their valuable times in selecting the quality papers. In this moment of pride, I would like to acknowledge the unmatched assistance and service of the reviewer, board members, eminent professors from various universities around the world who have completed 3 rounds of meticulous review. In the first round, the papers submitted by the authors were evaluated on the basis of technical suitability, scope of work in plagiarism and the clarity. The updated drafts of the papers that passed the second round are used for the third round. I sincerely thank each and every board member for maintaining the best conference quality standards. I would like to thank Guru Nanak Institution's chairman, Sardar Tavinder Singh Kohli ji, a magnificent legend of knowledge and achievement whose unshakable moral support will always lead a better route to success for being our major sponsor. As a result of conference pattern, Sardar Gagandeep Singh Kohli ji, we have consistently been inspired to succeed in all of our endeavors. Our managing director, Dr. H.S. Saini, who is also a conference chair, was the driving force behind the successful launch of the virtual conference and the continued expansion of Guru Nanak institutions. This demonstrates that GNI is dedicated to going above and beyond to provide international, innovative, interdisciplinary research and teaching, even in the difficult circumstances. I want to express my gratitude to Dr. K. Venkat Rao, our dynamic director. Right now, Dr. Srinath Reddy, Principal GNIT and co-chair of the conference, has been instrumental in organizing this significant occasion. I am convinced that this conference will give the participants innovative ideas to face the technological revolution and problems of the present period, because the technology is evolving at a much faster rate than we have ever seen. It do so during the time of global crisis. I want to comment that the ICI ECE 2022 organizing team for their continued dedication to promote scientific interaction and learning, and for their plans to organize the conference virtually, without which the virtual conference would not have been possible. I extend a warm welcome to all of you to the 10th International Conference on Innovation in Electronics and Communication Engineering, ICI ECE 2022. I hope your time at the conference is both personally and professionally rewarding. Thank you, one and all.